Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to be doing something awesome today. We are going to be creating this hat. And here's a closer look at this hat and all of its details. In case you couldn't tell, it is textured paint. It's got all these details sticking right off the hat. So without further ado, let's get into creating this textured hat. So first things first, you're going to need to get your supplies. So what you use to make that thick acrylic paste is this modeling paste. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, but you can also get it from Amazon, and I will be tagging this down below in the description for you. Next, you are going to need one of these to be able to put the paint on your hat. These come in a lot of different sizes and shapes and everything. This is the one size that I chose. I just feel like it's pretty universal. So yeah, get yourself some of these. Next, you're just going to need some acrylic paint, so you can go with whatever colors that you're feeling. These are the colors that I'm going with for today's hat. I just think they look really springy and nice. You're going to need an art easel or something to be able to mix that modeling paste with the acrylic paint, so this is mine. And last but not least, your hat that you're going to be designing. This is the one that I chose. I like that the brim kind of goes down, and I think that'll be really cool to be able to apply that thick paste onto. So what I'm going to do first is add some branches around the rim of our hat, so it just gives us a base to lay those thick flowers onto, and it'll give it just a little bit of dimension. So I'm going to just take some black acrylic paint and do those like two-dimensional branches. Okay, so as you can see, we have our hat all outlined with branches just to start, and now let's get into mixing our acrylic paint. Once again, we are using this modeling paste to mix with our acrylic paints for that thick texture. So as you can see, it has a very whipped and thick consistency, so you're just going to scoop some out and put it onto your mixing plate. And then once you have that down, what you're going to do is add a few drops of acrylic paint to it, and you're just going to keep mixing in paint until you get the color that you want. And now we're going to continue to do that with the rest of our colors. And now that we have our color palette all mixed, we can go into adding these onto our hat. So I'm starting right here on the side of our hat, and as you can see, all you do is you take the back end of this tool, you scoop some paint, and then you lay it right down, and then you kind of pull it to give it that petal look, just like that. So it's not super hard or anything. Let me give you a little more up close idea of what it looks like right there. And then you can just keep layering as you want until you get that desired look that you're going for. So next, how I'm going to continue to layer a yellow color in between there is you are going to put yellow right about to halfway up your tool, so that way you don't have quite as much, and then you can lay it right on top of the blue, just like that. And you can go back over and give it that petal-like look to it. And you just continue to lay it right on in there. And there we have it. So we are going to continue to do this all around the hat, and then we'll come back and look at the finished result together. Okay, and as you can see here, we have our finished result. And as you can tell, I'm not going to be trying this on because it is still very wet, and it's going to take about a week for this to completely harden and be ready to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed working on this hat with me. Thank you for sticking around and watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe if you did enjoy. We will be doing more artsy crafts and projects all the time, especially using clothes, hats, and bags. And I also would love it if you checked out my online store at ACRYLIC.com. I will be having hats like this and many others available for you guys to purchase. All of the things that I used today will be tagged down below, along with my social media and my website, and please hit that subscribe button. Again, it really helps me out a lot. Also, like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.